family? Welcome to mini-bytes session 14, and today's theme is defining value. My name is Erin, and I'm an executive coach, and I work with the Trifecta Core Health Initiative Protocol. So before I dive into defining value, very fun topic for me these days as it's showing up in both my work and personal life, I wanted to share that today is day 4 of my fast, and I'm about to break my fast with a yummy meal that involves a very basic soup with some greens in it mixed with quinoa. I will keep it light and simple for the next couple of days, listening to my body, and I feel good. I am looking forward to eating again, of course, but it's actually been a really good exercise this week, being able to fast and just continue with my days and to be in the city with all the stimulation and still be able to do it was something I wanted to try out. So defining value. So I generally make some notes on the themes that I'll talk about. And today, there's basically 3 areas of focus for me right now. So I'm transitioning with work to more of a personalized business model, which basically means, although I've been doing some coaching, I'm doing more now. And with that, as an entrepreneur, I'm having to set prices that when I worked for companies, I didn't really have to deal with as much. And it's a pretty profound exercise, because you end up really having to take a close look at things like, what am I looking to accomplish? So starting, personally, what am I looking to accomplish personally, professionally? I mean, here I am interested in making money, doing what I love. And so what does that look like for me? What type of financial situation do I want to find myself in? And how sustainable do I want it to be for my profession? And the second area of focus for me is how replicable is my skill set? And just taking a look at my own personal background in life, both with education, my professional career, and my personal career, my personal experiences and journeys, and how replicable is my skill set based on my background. And then finally, what is the need for my offering? Not necessarily the inherent need, which I'll talk about a little bit more, but the actual existing market need. So as some of you know, I'm in the space of wellness, and like I said, I'm an executive coach, and the protocol that I work with is called Trifecta because it's about the mind, body, heart connection. And the idea with this program is that by going through it, you're going to end up, really as a better leader in life, because your connection with self is enhanced. I've learned and I've observed over the years that it's not possible for me to be living authentically unless I have a certain level of awareness of my own personal mind, body, spirit connection, which is why I really love the Trifecta program. And it's something that was inspired by my own personal journey, and it's something that I practice daily. So that being said, the wellness industry, I've heard numbers from anywhere from $90 to $123 billion market. It's a big market, which would imply that there's a big need for wellness type activities out there. And then you look at the leadership development and motivational speaking market, that is a whole other business in and of itself. And Trifecta is a little bit of a combination of both, in that it connects wellness to effective leadership. So as far as the existing market need, I would say at this point the inherent need is greater than the actual demand for it, and that is shifting, which is a really good place to be for this business. And as far as what I'm looking to accomplish personally and professionally, what I take into consideration is, number one, what was I making in my previous career, and what did my overall quality of life look like in my previous career? Because you see, value isn't just about money, and it's not just about price setting. Value is about, how do I want to live my life? What types of experiences do I want to have? How much do I want to volunteer? How much do I want to travel? Do I want to have a family? As a woman, as a female entrepreneur, these are really important questions for me to ask myself. And personally for me, I enjoy volunteering. I am interested in starting a family. I am interested in dedicating time to spending with my parents and developing deeper connections with self and others, and how does that impact what type of time I put into my profession. So these are all considerations for me, and those of you who do know me know that I place a lot of importance on the aforementioned buckets, I will call them, which I didn't always do. So I'm grateful to be in a position to do that now. And as far as how replicable is my skill set, you know, it's been an interesting shift because I kind of went from one end of the spectrum to the other, and now I'm kind of like neutralizing and coming back to the middle, which has me in a really cool space where I find my current skill set to be rather specialized, and I'm grateful to be able to offer that service at a certain price because of how specialized my skill set is. But again, as I mentioned earlier on in this broadcast, you know, it's about my value that I bring, and it's also about the current need. So that has been something that is not straightforward at all, and it's certainly been an evolution that I've enjoyed. The epic journey continues. Thank you all. Love you all. Have a great day. And for more information, if you want to learn more about the Trifecta Core Health Initiative or my services as a coach, you can Google www.emc2nolimits.com, and of course you can also email me at emac@emc2nolimits.com. Thanks. Take care.